Greetings sports fans, welcome back to Edivision, the channel where we look at sports differently. Now, Omari Hutchinson. Is he committed? Does he want to play for Jamaica? Over the last couple of days, there have been a lot of rumors, especially started by one Craig Butler, that maybe, just maybe, Omari Hutchinson is not ready or does not want to play for Jamaica. And all of this came about when Omari Hutchinson declined the invitation to play in the Nation League away to Mexico in the Azteca. Omari Hutchinson declined based on personal reasons that we do not know. We don't want to speculate. We don't know the real reason, but persons will say he does not want to be capped. He does not want to be tied down to Jamaica by playing in a competitive game. People are saying he's not ready to commit to Jamaica. He still harbor hopes of one day putting on that white and red 3 Lions jersey and represent the English. Now for me, I'm not going to go down that road. It's definitely a wait and see for me. The Gold Cup is upon us. If Al Grimson decides to call up Omari Hutchinson, then, only then, will we know for sure if Omari Hutchinson is serious about Jamaica. We can call it a strike one, because who wouldn't want to represent Jamaica and play against one of the best teams in CONCACAF in Mexico? You're willing to come and play against a weak Trinidad and Tobago team. You're willing to come and play away to Catalonia in a famous friendly. Yet you're not prepared, or something came up for you not to represent us against Mexico. We just have to wait and see. Not jump into any conclusions like other people. But people, what say you? You've heard my view. It's a wait and see for me. There's no valid reason right now for me to say that Omari Hutchinson does not want to play for Jamaica, because he made himself available for 3 games thus far. So 3 out of 4. If he does it again by not making himself available for a tournament, which potentially we can play, minimum 3 games if we don't make it to the second one. Minimum an next 3 games. If he fail to come and represent us in the Gold Cup, then all these questions will return. And then maybe, only then, maybe I will say that he's not committed. So fans, I want to hear from you guys. Do you think Omari Hutchinson is not committed? Remember, he didn't have the best of times when he came and played against Trinidad. The first game wasn't his best down in Catchinall. Came to the National Stadium, performed even worse against Trinidad in that second game. I was in the National Stadium. I heard boos coming from the crowd. So I don't know if Omari Hutchinson is in his feelings. That's another thing to consider. But let me know in the comment section. Is Omari Hutchinson committed to the cause, or should we be looking to replace him? Drop those comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'm Eddie Gona. Like, share, and subscribe.
This is Owen Hill from PFJL, CEO of Professional Football Jamaica Limited, home of the Jamaica Premier League, the Gold Cup, and the El Clasicos. You're watching Eddie Vision. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. The baddest thing around town.